In this video, I'll show you how to add a basic zoom in and zoom out effect in DaVinci Resolve using simple keyframes. No plugins or fusion needed. Start by placing your playhead at the point in the timeline where you want the zoom in to begin. Then, in the top right corner, open the inspector. Under the transform section, click the keyframe icons next to zoom and position. This locks in your starting values. Next, move your playhead forward a few seconds depending on how fast you want the zoom to happen. Now increase the zoom to your desired level and adjust the X and Y position sliders to center the subject if needed. This creates a smooth zoom in animation. To zoom back out, place your playhead where you want the zoom out to begin. Again, click the keyframe icons for zoom and position to set a new starting point. Move forward a few seconds, then bring the zoom back down to 1 or your original scale and reset the position if you changed it earlier. And that's it. You now have a basic zoom in and zoom out animation using keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick and clean way to add motion to static shots or emphasize a specific part of your frame.